What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Leah Lee, and today I have a very different video from what I am normally filming, and I've been wanting to incorporate some new content to my channel, so here it goes. This is something that I'm going to be able to do on a monthly, probably 2 times a month basis, because I do receive a lot of PR packages. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this. There's really no introduction needed. I do want to give a huge thank you to all the companies who have sent me PR, who I'm on the list for PR, etc. And a huge shout out. The first package that I'm going to be opening today, a Crown and Glory YouTube Black package. I have already opened this package, and I had already put 2 of the things that were inside this package like in a specific place in my home. One was this book, and this is already on my shelf. So shout out to the author. Her name is Reina Norega. Hopefully I'm pronouncing her name correctly, and I believe she is the artist of the entire theme of this YouTube Black package. She's also located here in South Florida in Miami. Shout out to her. She's a visual artist and author, born and raised in Miami, Florida. So this paper that you see right here, you guys, that has some words up here, these are seeds. I'm not sure if y'all can really get the gist of the texture of this piece of paper, but these are wildflower seeds in this paper. So biodegradable. I can plant this in soil and flowers are going to grow from it. So I am definitely holding on to this because this is so cool. I have a lot of plants. I love flowers. I love all types of plants. This big old package, big humongous. Thank you so much, YouTube. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to everybody at YouTube. Thank you for recognizing the Black creators, the Black women creators, the women of color. Thank you so much. I am going to show y'all what is in this just by a picture that I took of it. It is ginormous, and I am going to keep it in this safe packaging for the moment because I move at the end of this year, and I don't want to hang it up in here just for a few more months and then have to take it down and then rehang it up somewhere else, because it is in like an acrylic frame and I want to be as gentle and safe with it as possible. This is magnificent, so thank you so much. The next package that I'm going to get into is this Amazon Beauty. Oh my goodness. So shout out to Amazon. They sent it in this like straw bag, and it has my name on it for all that do not know. My first name is Amelia, and this is from the Amazon Beauty team. This is heavy. Take this out. Heavy. It has a lot of stuff in here. So it says beauty on the inside. It has everything from, I guess, skincare, makeup, all of that. The summer is finally here. Upgrade your everyday routine with these sizzling hot summer beauty essentials. Long days, warm nights are the perfect time to shake up your beauty routine, obviously, because we definitely need different products in the summertime versus the colder months. We can't wait to see how you glow, so make sure you tag Pound Amazon Beauty, Pound found it on Amazon, when you share your favorite items. Try to show y'all. It is a lot. I'm gonna just go through really quickly, make sure I'm on camera good. In here we have some Maybelline mascara. Shout out to Maybelline. Wet n Wild. We have some lip glosses. Coola, I think. Coola. This is a non-greasy, lightweight hydration plant protection broad SPF, and I believe it is in like an aerosol. Oh, it's like a spray. Is this? Let me see what this is. It's a face mist sunscreen. Applies like a breeze. Over makeup, on the go, or anytime desire to refresh and protect. Okay, cool. So I'm definitely going to try this out and let y'all know how I feel about it. Grand Cosmetics. We have a plumping liquid highlighter. Essie Hard to Resist Nail Strengthener Nail Polish. Purity one-step facial cleanser with goji berry extract with philosophy. Let's see if I can get that clearly on camera. I'll let y'all obviously know how that is. We have a eyeshadow palette from Pure Press. We have MD Solar Sciences Mineral Cream, and this is an SPF 50. We also have a broad spectrum SPF sunscreen. This is the a balm from Color Science. So this is a lip balm. Poreless skin cream from Core's Santorini grapes with salicylic acid to help smooth and balance the skin. Definitely excited about this. Any cream, we are good to go. We have the Mario Badescu, is it Badescu? Coconut body butter. So I will definitely let y'all know how this is. Let's see if I can smell it real quick. Oh, it's a little open. The seal was broken, so I don't know why that is like that. Maybe in packaging or something like that it broke, but the seal is broken. So I don't know. I probably won't use that because the seal is broken on that one. Thermal spring water for sensitive skin. It helps to smooth and soften the skin. I don't know how to pronounce that brand correctly. It looks maybe like French. I'm going to YouTube it to see what other people are already using it and saying it right. We have a Pure Ology Professional Color Care Conditioner to hydrate. Thank you goodness, because my hair needs it. A Neutrogena After Sun Rehydrating Spray with hyaluronic acid. So we'll see what this does. Is anybody using any of these products? This matches me. Oh my God, this matches me. Moving on, we have a shampoo that helps with volume. It's a dry shampoo. Not sure if I'll be using this on my hair, just because this doesn't really go good with my type of hair, I don't think. Pureology Hydrating Shampoo to match with the conditioner that we got. This is a Pink Sugar Creamy Sunshine Eau de Toilette. So what is it? I'll let y'all know what this is because I have absolutely no clue what this is. Flawless Facial Hair Removal. Removes hair instantly and pain-free. Oh my goodness, I have been seeing these things everywhere online and in stores, and I have not tried it out yet, so I definitely will let y'all know how this works, especially in the mustache area for my ladies. These are some masks. It looks like pineapple, kiwi, pear, and ginger, and H2O activated charcoal with lemon juice for a deep detox. ESW Beauty. These are cool. I'll see what those are about. This is a PMD Clean Mini Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This is a silicone cleansing device that helps to work in products for cleansing, obviously on the face. So I'll let y'all know how that goes. And to wrap it up, we have a Joico Beach Shade Texturizing Finisher. Toast with waves for medium to thick hair. And a detox face mask. I'm gonna have to try this out. And this is that. And this is like an aerosol spray can. And this matches me too. A lot of products that I've never heard of and a lot of things that I have heard of that I'm excited to try. Everything in here is completely new to me. I haven't used any of these products before. This specific product, I used some of the brands before, but these are all new, so I'm really excited about this. And then there's one last thing. It's like at the bottom. This is a mask. It's 6 masks in here, and it looks like it's for like firming and anti-aging. I'll be showing these off on my Instagram reels real soon. Okay, and if it's something that I love, it'll obviously be in my monthly favorite video. So y'all stay tuned for that. Thank you so much, Amazon. I've opened this, but I have not tried it out. Valentino, shout out to Valentino for putting me on their PR. Thank you. Let's see what we got going on. Ooh, fancy. This is the lip. Let's see what color it is. It is the Rosso Valentino Matte 108A Living Nude. Ooh, y'all, I'm fancy. Ooh, that is pretty. Very pretty indeed. I will be trying this on my next date night. And babe better be like, dang, that lip look good. Even though I know he's not. Here is the perfume they putting me on. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Really warm, and it's like perfect for the summertime, where it's like once your body warms up, it'll like customize and work with your natural body scent. Smells so good. Dang, this really does smell good. Moving on to this last package. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, so it says be bold and beautiful. So shout out to Bolden USA. Shout out to them. This is like Christmas. Y'all look fuzzy. Ooh, this looks nice. Dear Bolden Insider, welcome to our tribe. We've selected a few of our favorite products for you to try. Hope you enjoy using them. XOXO. The founders. Love the founders. I do not want to mess up anyone's name. Okay, so shout out to these ladies. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it back close and personal so I can share with y'all what's going on in here. Okay, so there is a hydrating cleanser, pH balanced, fragrance free for dry and sensitive skin. There's a skin brightening toner that helps to diminish the appearance of dark spots, tightens, refines pores, prevents breakouts, and controls oil and shine. This packaging is beautiful. We have Awake Under Eye Patch for brighter and happier eyes with niacinamide, alpha arbutin, and tranexamic acid. And there's 10 pairs in here. I absolutely love how the example model on the back is illustrated in like a darker skin tone. Absolutely love it. And then we have like a beauty bag. A Bolden Embrace Your Beauty, feel luxurious, feel amazing, and it has these different quotes and plants on it. I absolutely love this bag because I like anything that has plants and tropical type leaves or leaves on it. And then in this box, inside this box, they have this glow kit that says it improves skin hydration, elasticity, and radiance. A brightening moisturizer with SPF of 30 and a glow hydrating mask. So it comes in this packaging. Let's see, they're sealed and I don't really want to open it right this second. This looks like edge control. Oh! A very loose edge control. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. I just wasted product. I'm over here trying to show y'all the texture and I'm messing up. I'll let y'all know once again on my Instagram reels. I'm gonna try some of these products out and let y'all know like impression of the products, and I hope y'all stay tuned to see what y'all might be interested in trying out on your own. This is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much all the companies that have reached out to me and are, you know, so willing to send me products from their companies, big and small. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, everybody that is watching this video and has watched it all the way through. I look forward to seeing everyone's comments on here on this channel as well as my Instagram. So you know how we do it. Oreo, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.